मैं करूँ तो कैट ढीला है, आप करें तो रासलीला है. None of my films will have any vulgarity. ओए सांबा कितने आदमी थे. इज नॉट के प्रोमो के अंदर ही बेस्ट शॉट दिखा दिए, पिक्चर के अंदर उससे 100 गुना ज़्यादा है. 3-4 को पकड़े जेल में डाल दो, सब बराबर हो जाएगा. ये पिक्चर इंशाल्लाह चलेगी. Hi, this is Salman Khan and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
कैरेक्टर ढीला का जो द सॉन्ग, आई थिंक यू बीन वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट. व्हेन द सॉन्ग डिड नॉट कम आउट, एक जनरल अगर आप बोलें कैरेक्टर ढीला तो इट्स लाइक लुक्स अ बिट ल्यूड. व्हेन यू सी द सॉन्ग इट लुक्स वेरी क्यूट. ये कैसे मैनेज किया आपने? उसमें कहीं पर कोई वल्गैरिटी नहीं है बिल्कुल.
Yeah, but none of my films will have any vulgarity. Right. Basically, it's an insult to somebody. Right. कि इसका कैरेक्टर ढीला है. But that is one word that I just thought कि उसको अगर positive या funny manner में करेंगे, it might sound good.
Right.
So that's, and the lyrics also, the lyrics we got was damn good. अगर मैं करूँ तो कैरेक्टर ढीला है, आप करें तो रासलीला है. Right. So it's. I just thought that it was funny. This catch was very funny when I first heard it.
ढिंका चिका की अगर बात करें तो आई थिंक जो उसके डांस मूव्स हैं, इट्स समवॉट रिमाइंड्स यू ऑफ जलवा सॉन्ग फ्रॉम वांटेड.
No. Totally different.
No, I'm not saying that it's copied, like in the sense जो आपके pocket movements हैं and all. इसमें आप ये करते थे somewhere it reminds that same beat in time somewhere.
Yeah, now that shot that you're seeing is from the earlier song that we shot.
Okay.
So inspired, now you feel that looks good, right?
I think so.
Yeah, well, now when the promos of the new Dinka Chika come, then you'll know the difference.
आपके भी इनपुट्स रहते हैं, जैसे जो एक इसमें जैसे लाइन जो मैंने शुरू में बोली थी कि दैट जिंदगी में 3 चीज़ें कभी अंडरएस्टिमेट नहीं करना, आई, मी एंड माई सेल्फ.
जिंदगी में 3 चीज कभी अंडरएस्टिमेट नहीं करना, आई, मी एंड माई सेल्फ.
इट्स लाइक इट रिमाइंड्स यू ऑफ एक बार जो कमिटमेंट कर ली, उसके बाद मैं अपने आप ही नहीं सुनता.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
एंड इट्स अ पंची थिंग, इट्स वर्किंग वेरी बिग वे विद योर फैंस. समवेयर ये भी है कि आप खुद के भी आपको कुछ इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस होते हैं राइटिंग में, बिकॉज यू आर अ राइटर योरसेल्फ.
ये जी, वो तो होते ही होते हैं जी. लेकिन क्या चीज़ पिकअप हो जाएगी जी, और बच्चों को क्या अच्छी लगेगी, फैंस को क्या अच्छी लगेगी, किसी को कुछ पता नहीं होता. लाइक माई फादर वाज दैट द अदर डे टेलिंग मी, शोले का हर डायलॉग हिट हुआ. I mean, even like calling somebody, ओए सांबा, कितने, is asking a question कि कितने आदमी थे. Again, होली कब है? So these are not dialogues. When they also became hits.
Punches, in fact, moments, in fact.
No, he's asking कि कितने आदमी थे. No, कितने आदमी थे? I mean, how can that be a dialogue? He's asking these guys. He's calling out to Samba sitting down there, ओए सांबा. So it's. Some things get picked up, we don't know why.
I think Salim Khan साहब is script consultant on Ready.
Yeah.
उनके क्या inputs रहे, उनका क्या मानना है फिल्म के बारे में?
वो already 3 बार पिक्चर देख चुके हैं.
Yeah.
And he's loved the film. In fact, he's told all his friends that I've never laughed so much in a movie. And I think he's also picked up 2 territories. He distributes with one of his friends.
Okay.
So just as a hobby. Yeah. So he's picked up 2 territories of Ready. So you could now know that he's actually liked the film.
After Dabangg has become one of the biggest hits of all times. Had you ever imagined that it will be such a phenomenal hit?
We knew it was going to be okay. But then when the trailer came out, the first look came out, and the way the response that we got, it's the same kind of response that we're getting on Ready right now. So with that response, we knew that the film would be a big hit, because we knew for a fact if this is the promo that has been liked by people, पिक्चर के अंदर उससे 100 गुना ज़्यादा है.
हम तुम में इतने छेद करेंगे कि कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि सांस कहाँ से ले और बातें कहाँ से.
It's not के promo के अंदर ही best shots दिखा दिए. It was not like that at all.
Definitely.
So, and the style, the promo was cut in. The whole film was on that style.
जी.
So we knew at that point in time that ये picture, inshallah चलेगी. And the action was damn good, and the music was extraordinary. New girl pairing. All the things that were said to us in the beginning as मत बना पिक्चर, डूब जाओगे, मर जाओगे, बर्बाद हो जाओगे, कहाँ रूरल पिक्चर बना रहे हो, दबंग नाम है,
सब लोग बना रहे रूरल पिक्चर,
नई लड़की है, नहीं चलता ये सब. The same things became positive once the promos came out.
Being human, I think you're doing a phenomenal work. And these days, whenever we are anywhere in the marketplace or wherever, there are so many kids who are wearing the Being Human T-shirts. I'm sure that they are fakes and you don't like all those things. But it shows the popularity of the movement that you've started. Does it make you happy?
It does make me happy. But then what saddens me is no matter how much awareness we spread on being human and that the T-shirts that they're wearing are fakes. You can't. ये तो ये है कि आप नहीं पहनो टी-शर्ट्स वो फेक वाले और जाके कॉटन वर्ल्ड से ले लो, हालांकि प्राइस भी सेम ही है और जो फेक्स बेच रहे हैं उतने में ही बेच रहे हैं फेक्स. या तो फिर 3-4 को पकड़े जेल में डाल दो, सब बराबर हो जाएगा. Because I don't understand this one thing that we're doing charity. The money that comes in goes into charity. When you're buying it, you're doing charity. That कमीना जो फेक्स बना के बेच रहा है, he is not doing any of that stuff at all.
Something about Bodyguard. It's coming on Eid. I know that people are just waiting to just repeat the magic of Dabangg. Your fans are eagerly looking forward to Eid as well.
Yeah, it's a good date. Eid is a superb date to have a release. So is Diwali.
Right.
So is that whole Christmas, New Year's छुट्टी. फिर वो जो May की छुट्टियाँ होती हैं. These are the dates that people go and watch movies on. Festive dates, people buy clothes and mithaiyan and they're all in a good mood and celebration. And when a film like this comes on those dates, it's always
Dabangg 2, people are eagerly looking forward to it. Arbaz Khan is directing now. So when is it starting?
Soon. It'll start after Sher Khan.
Okay, and Kick I think is starting sometime in October?
Yeah. First is Yash Raj's film going to start now after Bodyguard. And Soul is directing a film called Sher Khan.
Okay.
So these two films and then will come Dabangg and Kick.
There was Salman Khan talking about his next film Ready and his forthcoming ventures, and the phenomenal work that he is doing for Being Human I think is superbly appreciable, and he would want that people should not buy the fake t-shirts, they should rather buy the original ones. Thank you very much, Salman Khan.
Thanks,
lovely to have you as always on Bollywood
Thanks.
Hangama, and all the best wishes. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.